You guys, look, I made an ottoman. I'm so excited. It's so nice, you guys. And the best part is it was super cheap. Yes, girl, yes. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I created this, just keep on watching. The things that you're going to need, I just picked up some material. I have two different types of material here, and then I have a 6 foam board as well as some of these Dollar Tree bowls here. I also have this mattress pad here that I'm going to be using, and then you're going to also need 2 of these bins. I do have the lids off to the side. So yeah, those are the products that you're going to need, as well as a hot glue gun and an X-Acto blade or some type of knife to cut your board. Alright, I decided to use this piece of canvas board here. So now I've just flipped it over and I'm going to start working on my foam board sides. So I'm just going to be cutting this into half. So I'm just going to take this and eyeball it. Alright, I'm not sure where it stopped at, but I was saying that I am going to be cutting this in half, and that I don't have a long ruler, but I really do need to invest in one. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line here. And all I'm going to do is take my hot glue gun and just go ahead and place them up against my boxes like so. Okay, you guys, so right here you can see that there is a line here that separates my 2 pieces of board. What I'm going to do is just put a piece of just regular paper, and that is printer paper that's lineless, over the top here, because the purpose of me adding the paper and the foam board is to give me a nice clean white background. My fabric that I chose is a bit sheer, so I need a background that is going to be nice and clean, and I don't want to have this showing through, so I would rather have it all white. And so I'm going to go ahead and cover this now with a little bit of just white paper, and then it'll be nice and uniform. So here I wanted to show you this as well. This is where my corners meet, and what I'm going to have to do is just shave this part down just a little bit, and once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and cover this over with more of that white printer paper. Alright, you guys, so I have this turned around so that my longer end is facing you guys, the camera. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to use a piece of my foam board to help be like a guide for me while I'm doing my cutting here. And yeah, so I'm just going to do that. And then what's left I will tuck into the box. Alright, so I have a lot of this left, so I'm happy with that. But you guys can see how sheer this actually is. It's just turn over my baskets on top of the material, and then I'm just gonna glue it down that way. What I'm doing now is just wrapping it up kind of like a present. I am going to leave it loose so that I have room to cut it and pull the fabric through on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue this now, and I'm doing it on the bottom so that you won't see hot glue on my sides, and it'll look real neat and clean. You won't be able to tell where I put this thing together, so that's why I'm doing it like this. And once I make my cut on the other side, I'll go ahead and pull it as tight as I need it to be. Taking what's left of my foam board and just hot gluing it to the lid so that I have a nice, even, smooth surface. Okay guys, I know you can't see all of this, but I'm just going to unroll this and then I'm going to fold it over like this so that the texture side will be on the inside. And then I'm going to use my hot glue gun and glue that down. Using my marble coasters to hold down the glue because I noticed that it does come apart a little bit here when I'm trying to press it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that so I can keep moving doing this project. Now I'm just gonna flip it over and Now I'm going to be taking these bows from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to make my legs with this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside. I did not finish the inside because I did not have enough material for that. So I just left it plain. But I'm going to show you how it opens up. And so all you do is just, you know, kind of do that. And you can see the inside. That's what the inside looks like. I might put some kind of a towel or something down there just so it looks a little bit better. Or try to go find some felt or something to finish it, but for right now it will serve its purpose. All I needed it for was to put my pillows in at night. So I love that it has two compartments there so I can keep things separated. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.